What if I told you that the greatest powers on Earth have already created fighter jets so extreme that they could decide the fate of humanity in just a matter of minutes? We are not talking about simple combat aircraft, but about machines so advanced that they seem designed by extraterrestrial intelligences. Some can deploy swarms of kamikaze drones mid-flight, others take off from aircraft carriers hidden deep in the oceans, and there are even projects that combine the functions of an airplane and a spaceship. Today, on TechZNX, you are going to discover the 7 most powerful, futuristic, and destructive next-generation fighter jets on the planet. Aircraft that could forever change the way wars are fought, and that put the entire world at risk. So get ready, because what you're about to see is not science fiction. It is the future of aerial combat. Let's begin. Top 7. HAL AMCA. Who would have imagined that India, a country that for decades bought fighters from the United States and Russia, is now building its own stealth ghost capable of challenging superpowers? That project exists, and it is called the AMCA, a 5th-generation beast that could change the balance of power in Asia. This is not just a prototype on paper, but a machine designed from scratch to be invisible to radar, with an angular fuselage, internal weapon bays to hide missiles, and a wing-shaped design that reduces its electromagnetic signature to almost zero. From the moment it takes off, this predator is practically a specter in the sky. Its speed promises to surpass current 4th-generation fighters with ease, flying in supercruise without afterburners and sustaining supersonic speeds. Add to that its capacity to carry everything from long-range air-to-air missiles to hypersonic weapons, meaning it can intercept an enemy hundreds of kilometers away or annihilate an airbase in minutes. But the real leap forward is its integrated artificial intelligence. The AMCA will not just be a plane. It will be a digital co-pilot capable of analyzing battles, detecting invisible threats, and executing maneuvers in fractions of a second. Imagine an Indian pilot, accompanied by a brain that processes thousands of data points instantly, dominating a dogfight where a single mistake means death. And the symbolism is even more powerful. For the first time in its history, India is not buying jets. It is building its own predator of steel, a brutal message to China and Pakistan. The skies of South Asia will no longer be disputed. They will be controlled by a ghost born on Indian soil. Top 6. KAIKF-21. Boramae. South Korea does not only make smartphones and cutting-edge cars. Today, it is building an aerial predator that could rival the best from the United States, Russia, and China. The KF-21 Boramae, a stealth fighter that marks Korea's leap into the exclusive club of aerial superpowers. This Titan is no ordinary plane. Its fuselage is shaped with angular lines and internal weapon bays that minimize radar signature. In combat, it literally becomes a ghost. Even more terrifying is its true multi-role capacity. It can intercept fighters at high altitude, destroy ground targets with surgical precision, and even carry out naval missions by sinking warships. Its speed nearly doubles the sound barrier, and with a range beyond 1,000 kilometers, the Boramae does not need constant refueling to operate deep into enemy territory. On top of that, it integrates a next-generation AESA radar, capable of simultaneously tracking dozens of targets on land, sea, and air, even those thought to be invisible. But what really makes its neighbors nervous is not just the technology, it is what it represents. South Korea has created a jet almost at the level of the American F-22 and F-35, but at a much lower cost. That means it can build them in mass numbers, filling its hangars with ghosts of steel ready to defend the Korean sky or deploy anywhere across the Pacific. Picture the scene. A swarm of Boramae flying low, invisible to radars, approaching the peninsula while enemy defenses detect nothing until it is far too late. Every missile launched is a brutal reminder that South Korea no longer depends on anyone. It has built its own specter of the skies. The KF-21 is not just a fighter jet. It is South Korea's declaration that it has entered the global military elite, with its own aerial demon to mark the skies with fire. Top 5. FCAS/SCAF. Europe refuses to be left behind in the race for air dominance. While the United States flaunts its F-35 and China parades its J-20, the old continent is preparing its own technological monster, the FCAS, also known as SCAF, a sixth-generation fighter that will not just be a plane but the nerve center of total warfare. Imagine a pilot inside the cockpit, not only flying his aircraft but commanding swarms of kamikaze drones, satellites in orbit, and even frigates at sea. That is the concept of the FCAS, a system of systems where every element of Europe's armed forces acts as one organism, linked in real time by an artificial intelligence network impossible to hack. Its design will be next-generation stealth with sharp lines and radar-absorbing materials that make it nearly invisible. But what is truly chilling is its arsenal: hypersonic weapons, air-to-air missiles impossible to intercept, and most shockingly, directed energy weapons, laser cannons capable of destroying enemy missiles mid-flight. The cockpit itself will be revolutionary: three-dimensional holographic displays, smart helmets reading the pilot's neural signals, and systems that allow control of multiple drones as extensions of his own body. Not a pilot commanding a fighter, but a commander controlling an entire aerial army. The FCAS will not take flight until the next decade, but what is already known is enough to cause chills in Washington and Beijing. If Europe unites its resources, this could become the first truly European sixth-generation jet, a ghost of the skies blurring the line between science fiction and real war. The message is clear: Europe no longer wants to be just an ally. It wants to be an aerial superpower on its own. And the FCAS is the beast they intend to unleash. Top 4. Mikoyan MiG-41. Russia does not settle for stealth fighters or heavy bombers. It wants something far more extreme: a hypersonic interceptor that breaks all the rules of aerial combat. That is the MiG-41, heir to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound, but pushed to such an insane level that it looks designed by another civilization. We are talking about a colossus capable of exceeding Mach 4, that is, more than 4,800 kilometers per hour. To put it simply, it could take off from Moscow and cross the Arctic in less than 1 hour, intercepting bombers, fighters, or even missiles long before they approach Russian airspace. But the true madness lies in its futuristic capabilities. The MiG-41 is designed to hunt satellites in low orbit, becoming the first real space combat aircraft. Armed with anti-satellite missiles and advanced sensors, it could blind its enemies in seconds by knocking out the digital veins that sustain modern armies. Its fuselage would use heat-resistant materials to survive hypersonic flight, while its avionics would be fully assisted by artificial intelligence, calculating trajectories and threats at speeds no human could match. And here's the chilling part: Russian sources claim development is already underway, with a deployment target set for the 2030 decade. If that is true, the MiG-41 would not just be another fighter jet, it would be the first aerial space predator in history, a ghost of steel attacking from the upper atmosphere and vanishing in seconds. Top 3. Boeing FX. If the F-22 Raptor already seemed unbeatable, the United States is preparing something that will make it look like a relic of the past. This is the Boeing FX, whispered inside the Pentagon as the Ghost Fighter, a project so secret and futuristic that it is already seen as the true replacement of the Raptor. Its design remains an enigma, but the little that is known is enough to unsettle even the most powerful rivals. The FX will combine absolute stealth, invisible even to cutting-edge quantum radars, with offensive capabilities never before seen. Hypersonic weapons stored in internal bays, able to strike targets thousands of kilometers away in just minutes. But that is only the beginning. This aerial predator will also be a digital commander. From its cockpit, the pilot will control swarms of autonomous micro-drones in real time, acting as scouts, decoys, or kamikazes to overwhelm enemy defenses until they collapse. In other words, the FX will not fly alone. It will be the center of a mechanized swarm of war. Its artificial intelligence will be so advanced it can analyze entire battles in seconds, predict enemy maneuvers, and recommend strategies instantly. More disturbing still, part of those decisions could be made autonomously, without human intervention. Visualize it. An enemy detects something on radar. Seconds later, gone. Then a hypersonic missile hits from above, while dozens of drones invade its airspace. By the time it reacts, it is already over. That is what it means to face America's Ghost Fighter. Top 2. Tempest. Europe's other answer to American and Chinese air dominance is so futuristic, it feels like science fiction. The Tempest is not just a fighter jet. It is a 6th-generation combat ecosystem designed to change everything. Imagine a plane that not only flies, it thinks with you, senses with you, and fights with you. Its cockpit will be fully virtual. No dials, no physical screens, just 3-dimensional holograms floating in front of the pilot, manipulated by gestures, voice, or even thoughts through a neural fusion helmet. This aerial predator will launch entire swarms of loyal drones acting as extensions of its own body. Kamikaze drones slamming into defenses, scouts penetrating deep into enemy territory, or machines attacking from impossible angles, all controlled in real time as if they were the pilot's own arms. Its weapons will not just be missiles. The Tempest will mount directed energy lasers, shooting down enemy aircraft and missiles at the speed of light. Add hypersonic weapons, and it can strike targets thousands of kilometers away without warning. And the most unsettling part, the Tempest will be an evolving platform designed to constantly upgrade with new technologies and weapons. This predator will not age. It will adapt, mutate, and grow more lethal with every decade. Picture it, a squadron of Tempests cutting through the sky, invisible to radar, each one unleashing swarms of drones while laser beams intercept incoming missiles mid-flight. A vision of war so apocalyptic, it will redefine aerial combat forever. Top 1. Next-generation air dominance. What you are about to hear is not just a jet. It is an ecosystem of aerial warfare so secret, so advanced, and so devastating that even today, almost nothing is officially revealed. Yet enough is known to understand the fear it provokes. The NGAD, America's 6th-generation air dominance program. Rumors say it has already flown in real tests, but the Pentagon guards its details as the century's greatest military secret. Still, what little is known is enough to freeze your blood. This is a fighter that makes the F-22 Raptor look like an obsolete toy. Its stealth is so absolute, it erases the very idea of aircraft from radar screens, turning it into an undetectable ghost. But that is not what is most terrifying. The NGAD never flies alone. At its side are the loyal wingmen, autonomous combat drones acting as scouts, missile carriers, or suicide kamikazes. In other words, a single pilot commands not a jet, but an entire invisible fleet. Its weapons break every limit known. Hypersonic missiles impossible to intercept, directed energy laser cannons incinerating planes and missiles at light speed, electromagnetic systems capable of paralyzing enemy radars and communications in seconds, and the most chilling feature, tactical artificial intelligence that makes combat decisions in thousandths of a second, faster than any human could ever react. Imagine a predator analyzing the entire sky, detecting threats, and eliminating them before the pilot even notices. Visualize it, a ghost of steel soaring high, unseen, flanked by a swarm of drones multiplying its power, unleashing unstoppable missiles while defending its airspace with beams of pure energy. A machine that does not just dominate the skies, it owns them, turning them into its absolute kingdom. The NGAD is not just another fighter jet. It is the definitive card of American air supremacy, the project that ensures when this beast officially emerges, the sky of the future will have only one master. And there you have it, the 7 most advanced and extreme next-generation fighters on Earth. From European projects betting on artificial intelligence and holograms, to American invisible ghosts, to Russian hypersonic interceptors and Asian predators that unsettle even the Pentagon. These are not just machines representing the peak of military technology. They define the future of war in the skies, a future where every second, every decision, and every drone could alter the fate of millions. Now the question is for you. Do you believe that one of these fighters will truly be deployed in combat and change warfare forever? Or do you think they are just weapons of intimidation, designed to make the enemy tremble before the fight even begins? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to TechZNX, because what's coming next will shock you even more.